Hello, Rose. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning, sir and ma'am. I'm Rosalie Montibon from Philippines. I'm 48 years old. I have 3 kids, 2 daughters and 1 son. I'm married. My first experience in abroad, I'm working in Saudi Arabia last 2015 to 2017. I'm taking care working couple, 1 newborn and a 2 years old kid. My main task is to take care of the kids, especially the newborn. And together I will cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes. After 2 years, I finished the contract and go home Philippines. I tried to apply in Hong Kong and it's good that I get the job. My first employer, working couple, I take care
From which
Pupo
year?
elderly.
Can you tell me which year?
I started last 2019
To
2022.
okay.
And then I take care Pupo and 3 kids. Half a year, my employer changed my task. Maybe she is satisfied my performance. His son is getting married and have a newborn kid. So I take care the newborn kid and cleaning the house, cooking and washing. After 3 more years, they decided to relocate in UK.
Yes.
Yeah, and so I go home Philippines, but still I have kept in touch with them.
Yeah.
Until I decided again to go back work in Hong Kong. So I get a new job. Working couple. I started last 2023 and working couple, sir and mom. I have they have also 3 kids. The house is 1,400 square feet, and the main task is to take care of the 3 kids.
The 3 kids is, as I know, they are very hyper.
Yes, they are very energetic. So I must be energetic also.
Yes.
And have multitask, cleaning the house every day, preparing the meals, especially the meals of the kids, going to school, cleaning and washing the clothes.
Yes.
And then after 9 months, I'm so sorry that I'm terminated.
Yes.
My madam, very perfectionist. She's feeling that I cannot take care of the 3 kids.
Yes.
And then, but sir, tell me that I'm good. I can find a new job. She tell me that. So I'm so sorry that madam is a perfectionist and not satisfied my performance.
Okay.
So even though I'm 48 years old, I can do the task. I have energy. I have a good health. I can assure that I can do whatever the rules I can follow. I can sir and mom, if you hire me, I can show my ability. I'm very hard work person.
Okay. So I will try to help you to find a job. Okay.
Thank you.
So are you
ma'am, sir.
okay if you can share job?
Yes, I can share job.
How about share room with the other kids?
No problem. I can share also.
How about if holiday on Sunday? Are you okay?
It's okay.
Okay. So, bye bye.
Bye bye. Hello. Thank you.